Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fold the Mercedes E-Class back seat. First, ensure your front seats are moved forward enough to provide clearance. Next, remove any items from the rear seat and the floor area. Finally, locate the release latches, which are typically found on the top edge of the rear seat backs. Now, firmly pull each release latch located on the top of the seat backs. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that the latch has disengaged. It's important to ensure both the left and right seat backs are unlatched before you attempt to fold them down for the next step. With the latches released, gently push each seat back forward until it lies flat. Be careful to ensure that the seat belts do not get caught or pinched during this process. Once folded, verify that the seat backs are completely flat, providing you with the maximum available cargo space. To return the seats to their upright position, simply lift each seat back firmly until you hear it click and lock into place. Always give the seat back a good push to confirm it is securely latched. Finally, you can adjust your front seats back to your comfortable driving position.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.